Breaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like.
What it do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and share to everybody you guys know. If you guys enjoy cleaning motivational videos, mommy lifestyle videos, you guys are in the right spot. You guys have found the right channel, so go ahead and support your girl, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share to everybody you guys know. What I'm going to be conquering today is I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. This house, I have a smaller closet than I did in my last house, so I feel very overwhelmed. Like, none of my clothes fit in this closet because it's just so small. Literally, it's so tiny. It just doesn't make sense to me. It's a little square. One side of the closet is longer than the other side, so it's like not even like a fair sharing of clothes to be hung up. I don't know, this closet just drives me crazy. I have not deep cleaned this closet since I moved into this house, which is embarrassing, but today's the day that I got it done, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So go ahead, enjoy the music, get pumped. I hope you guys get motivated to clean your guys' messy houses, because I know my house is not the only house that has messy parts.
I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get,
I'm running away from this pain. I'm trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic